Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Nissan Juke. So this car has full service history, comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre petrol engine, it gives you 113 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 46,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.